Hi everyone, this is Blake Schwank and thank you for joining me again for another episode of Cyber Saturday. This is one of our remote versions. I am in beautiful Nuremberg, Germany, and I'm outside of St. Sebald's church in Nuremberg, inside the walled city. And this makes me think about how our clients really need cyber insurance, how you really need cyber insurance. So when you get ransomware, you can recover from it. Now, how does this relate to St. Sebald's Church? Well, during World War II, this church was absolutely destroyed by Allied bombing, and it was a mess. And so they were able to put it back together. And that's like when you get hit by ransomware. Your business is a mess. All of that's destroyed. Well, like St. Sebald's Church, if you have cyber insurance, you have the money and resources for us to put it back together like new. Just like this looks like it's new from when they originally created it back in the day. So make sure you got your insurance lined up so that we can put you back together, put your business back together like the town of Nuremberg was able to put their church back together. So if you want to talk about this, give us a call at Colorado Computer Support. We can help you get your cyber insurance squared away. And our phone number is 719-439-0599. Website is www.coloradosupport.com.